1.40 billion attention. This winter solstice is not easy. December 21st, the evening of the second day of the 11th lunar month. The winter solstice solar term is officially handed over. I don't know if you've thought about it. Why do some people just turn 60, died a few years later? There is an old saying in the folk that the winter solstice does not listen to advice. Grave rise next year. We can't believe the rules handed down by our ancestors. But you have to be in awe. Many times, people are careless, turning small problems into big problems. I don't even know it. The winter solstice in previous years may not matter. But this year is a once-in-60-year late winter solstice. It has 3 unique features. Friends who can swipe this video. That's a blessed man in the vast crowd. Read patiently. No matter what the weather is this winter, you can have a bottom line in your heart. The 3 special features of this winter solstice are firstly, the winter solstice this year falls on the second day of the 11th lunar month. Civil division male and female winter solstice is based on lunar dates. Monophysis is yang construction, winter solstice. Double genera is yin. It's the mother winter solstice. The second year of junior high school is a double genus. So this year's Tenmu winter solstice. The old saying goes winter solstice. Warm child, short mother winter solstice. How sleep this means. The cold will last longer this winter. The weather will warm up later. Humid and cold can easily accumulate in the body. Secondly, the winter solstice handover time this year is 11:02 p.m. Take 12 noon as the boundary. After that, the late winter solstice will be handed over. The ancestors have a saying that the early winter solstice is too cold. Late winter solstice. Late night is the time when yin is the most vigorous. Handing over the winter solstice at this time, it means that the power of the cold evil is stronger. Freezing rain and snow will be more frequent in the future. Everyone must pay attention to keep warm and cold. Finally, this year the winter solstice handover is after sunset. It's the winter solstice. Folk is bounded by sunset. Close your eyes at the winter solstice before sunrise. After sunrise is the winter solstice. As the old saying goes, the winter solstice snows. Open your eyes winter solstice sunny days. This foreshadows more snowstorms in the north after the winter solstice this year. The feeling of dryness will intensify. The south will be rainy. Cold to the bone. Combining these 3 characteristics. This winter, there is a high probability that it will be a multimodal winter superimposed by early and cold in order to survive the winter safely. Happy coming year. The old ancestors said that the 3rd sentence of the winter solstice will increase the luck of the coming year. This is the survival wisdom passed down by the ancients for thousands of years. Let's do it right. The following words, and the daily lives of each of us. Information correlation. Friends who are afraid of not being able to remember suggest collecting it. The first is to avoid the invasion of cold evil. After the winter solstice, the most yin, yang qi starts to rise. The old saying goes that the winter solstice is easy to maintain health. Cold evil is the most likely to invade. This time, neck and shoulder, the waist, abdomen, and feet are the key parts to keep warm. Wear your ankles as little as possible. Waisted clothes. Soak your feet more before going to bed at night. Prevent cold evil from getting into the body and causing physical discomfort. The second is to avoid work and rest disorders. The ancients paid attention to the winter solstice. Follow sunrise. The tradition of sunset. The yang is weak around the winter solstice. Staying up late will directly deplete yang qi. Leads to listlessness in the coming year. Immune decline. It is recommended that everyone try to go to bed before 11 p.m. Ensure more than 7 hours of sleep. Let the body take good care of its vitality. Third, don't blindly tonic. The winter solstice is the golden age for tonic. But it's not about eating big fish and big meat. Many older friends know. 2026 is the year of the living horse superimposed by dual activities due to the pattern of Shankilong water control. The older generation said the yin is hidden deep in this year. The cold air of winter will be more concentrated and fierce. And when the year of the living horse changes years, will be drier than ever. This is for older friends. It was quite a test. If the body lacks moisture, like a car running out of gas, it can only be dried to the depths. Winter is more susceptible. For a safe winter, our ancestors had a plan. Wangdi's Neijing final records raise yang in spring and summer. Nourish yin in autumn and winter. Our bodies are consumed by autumn dryness. The moisture level has been greatly reduced. Many people instinctively like warm food. Easy to generate internal heat. So in terms of diet, eat more yin and moisturizing foods appropriately. In this way, it will not be so uncomfortable in 3 or 9 days. If family conditions permit, from now on, eat more of these 8 nourishing foods. The first is porya. The old saying goes, eat less chicken and less sugar and more porya and coarse grains. People who don't sleep well at night and wake up easily should eat more. The second is lotus seeds. It is particularly suitable for the dry autumn and winter climate, rich in minerals and vitamins. Can maintain skin. Make porridge with lily. Nutrients are better absorbed. The third is Waishin medicine. There's an old saying about taking a yam in winter. No fire and no worries for a year. Why do people who always feel tired eat more yams? Because its calcium content is 6 times that of milk. The iron content is 20 times that of red dates. In the past, Waishin medicine was a tribute to the dynasties. Large families with conditions in ancient times, including the palace and the kitchen. When the seasons change, we'll use porya. Waishin herbal lotus seeds with Hericium arenacos. Barley gorgon. Tangerine peel chicken nijin. These 8 ingredients are ground into powder. The ancestors called it basin powder. In ancient times, there were 18 needles and 3 grams of twisting. Don't be greedy for gold. So families with conditions can do it. It can solve a lot of family problems. Rinse a spoonful with boiling water every morning. You can also drink it in soup. Rich fragrance. Nutritious. Easier to absorb after powdering. 1 bite. The warmth radiates from inside and outside. The whole body seems to be surrounded by sunlight. Keep drinking for a month. You will find that the whole winter is much more nourishing. Warm from the body. Start now. Just use it to love yourself and your family.